Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. It's a really nice sunny day here in the UK, in the East Midlands. I've got a day off work, so I've decided to come and put in a few hours work on my new renovation project. So I've brought a few things with me. I've just sort of like unloaded the car, got a few bits and bobs with which may come in handy. It's a little bit of a mess at the minute, but I'm going to have a little bit of a tidy up, and I'm going to start with this room here. I'm going to start stripping off some wallpaper. I'm going to steam it off. I've no idea what the walls are like, what the plaster's like underneath, whether or not there'll be any skim required. These shelves are going to come off. So yeah, just one or two little things just to kick off with really. I've got some music with me. Okay, but I also wanted to talk to you about something which is really important, and I have had this question once or twice actually on my YouTube channel, and that is, what is the most important tool you own? Or what is the most important tool that every workman should have in his workbox? And I gave it some thought, and I think it's quite obvious actually. And I'm going to do an unboxing today. In fact, actually I've already unboxed it, but here we go. The answer is obviously a kettle, isn't it? Okay, I've got this little beauty from Argos. So it doesn't matter whether you're a DIYer, whether you're a tradesman, plasterer, bricky, carpenter, plumber, electrician, it doesn't make any difference, does it? The fact is, everybody needs a kettle. It's important to have a nice cup of tea or coffee to keep you going. This is a little cheap and cheerful number from Argos. Can't remember how much I paid for it actually, but anyway, it was less than a tenner, about £7 I think it was. So 1.7 litre capacity, so you can get a couple of really nice mugs of tea there. Got some Yorkshire tea bags with me, matching sport look, job's a good one. Oh yeah, and I've got one of these little thermos mugs with me, a little bit of milk in a flask. Cheers.